Hey, how you doing? This video is about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up 100% since Saturday. Saturday, I did a video covering it. It was at 33 cents. And in the last 24 hours, we've hit 68 plus cents. So it is crazy what is going on with Doge. I am very long on Dogecoin. I think that this is going to continue to go up and up and up. We've got the buildup leading up to Elon Musk going on to Saturday Night Live. He's tweeted looking for recommendations from his Twitter fan follow base for potential skits. He could mention it in his monologue. It's no telling where we're going to go from here. We could absolutely hit $1 in the lead up and the run up to that show. So that's what we're going to be covering today. We're also going to try to do some kind of a prediction, look at where we end up on this, as well as I got a few interesting pieces of information to share with you related to if you had put $1,000 into Doge back in January, what would that be worth now? It's absolutely crazy to show you that. And we're just going to overall take a look at everything and see the state of the union on Dogecoin. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing, become part of the community. My name is Austin Hilton. I'm a 30-plus year investor, and I am doing a massive amount of crypto coverage now on my channel, bringing videos like this, keeping you updated. So if that's something you care about, you want to be kept up to date on the latest and greatest with Dogecoin and some of the other major cryptocurrencies, definitely consider subscribing, as well as I got a ton of stock tip videos and a lot of other stuff as well. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So yeah, let's go take a look and see what is going on right now with Dogecoin. Here we go. So you can see as of right now, the recording of this video, we're at 65 cents. We're up 18% in the last 24 hour. And as so we're looking good there. Okay, so shifting on over to a couple things I want to draw your attention to. I always bring this up, but it's very important to just kind of understand what is going on with this chart. The red line is the 20-day moving average. The purple line here is the 50-day moving average. And you can see this absolutely beautiful chart we've got for Doge, just continuing to move up and up and up. Major candlestick action, dramatic leaps ahead. As I mentioned, on Saturday, I did a video, and Dogecoin was at 33 cents on Saturday. So we are absolutely 100% up. Right now, as the recording of this, we're almost there, but we basically are, right? I mean, but it's actually hit 68 cents in the last 24 hours. So, but we are up 100% from last Saturday. That's absolutely crazy. And I mentioned I'm very bullish. I'm very long on Dogecoin. I'm beyond the Elon Musk thing and all that kind of stuff. I talk about this in every video, but if you're new to me, I want to bring this up. I think that Dogecoin is a completely unique cryptocurrency for really three major things. Number one, it's got a massive, very emotionally tied to it user base and community and fan base. People that own Dogecoin are emotionally attached to this cryptocurrency, and I think that is a fundamentally massive thing. I don't really see that as much in the other cryptocurrencies. This fan base is very rabid. I use the word rabid in a positive manner. They really, really emotionally care about this currency and all that goes around it, and are very active in the currency itself, the community, talking about it, Twitter, all that kind of stuff. That's number one. Number two, with Dogecoin, we've absolutely got the celebrity factor going on. We've got Elon doing his thing, all the tweets, the SNL stuff. We got Mark Cuban going on to Ellen, the Ellen Show, talking about Dogecoin. We've got more and more celebrities coming out. That's the biggie, and I think that continues to create market awareness for the currency, for the crypto, and everything kind of overall just continuing to keep and build and getting more momentum. That's number two. Number three, Dogecoin is absolutely looking like it's evolving as a cryptocurrency that people will actually use to do transactions. Mark Cuban, Dallas Mavericks, 6,000 plus Dogecoin transactions year to date. The A's, the baseball team, MLB baseball team, just announced they did their first Dogecoin transaction. I believe it was Monday, and they're initiating being able to buy, their merchandise and things like that with Dogecoin. You got other major retailers like Newegg, they're coming online. God forbid what would happen if Amazon came out and said they would start taking Dogecoin. We'd probably be at north of $10+ overnight. I think that's a strong possibility, and I might even do a whole separate video on that, talking about what would happen to Doge if Amazon or even Walmart.com or somebody like that specifically Amazon, would start taking the currency. It'd be absolutely crazy, okay? So, again, so just back to the chart. What we've got is a beautiful chart, a nice run-up. We're absolutely hitting our highs. We're doing really, really awesome. Everything is looking really, really great. And I do want to give you a point of caution. The point of caution is that we could absolutely run up $1 plus or whatever the run up to Elon, SNL. But protect yourself from the downside. If you're long, fine. Ride the highs, ride the lows, right? But we could have a sell-off of some type after the SNL event happens, because people will want to be taking massive profits. Just know that and be aware that that could happen. I'm not hating on on Doge. That's not where I'm coming from, so don't slam me in the comments or dislike the video for that. I want you guys, I care about you guys, and I want you to be aware that that is a possibility, okay? All right. So I mentioned a couple of things. I wanted to show you this, what a $1,000 bet on Dogecoin would do for you. So I thought this particular, so basically a $1,000 bet placed on Doge at the beginning of this year would now be worth $100,000. But this right here, this tweet was I thought amazing. If you invested $1,000 in the following on January 1, 2021, you'd have as much as of May 4th. So if you invested $1,000 in Tesla, you'd have $907. If you invested it in GameStop, you'd have $8,990. If you invested in Bitcoin, you have $1,900. And if you invested in Dogecoin, you'd have $103,703. I'm just going to drop the mic and walk off the stage. That's a pretty amazing analogy. I wanted you guys to be aware of it. Okay, so we've got a lot going on. We definitely could jump 47+%. Actually, it's less than that now to get to $1 plus. We know it's surging because Elon going on to Saturday Night Live, SNL. I mentioned this before, but he's come out and on his Twitter, he's asking for his 50+ million Twitter followers for recommendations, for ideas, for skits, things like that. He absolutely could reference Dogecoin. Obviously he's got to be kind of leery of the SEC and all their stuff and whatever. But the point of it is that we know that possibly he's going to say something. I definitely think we have a extremely strong possibility to hit $1 by Saturday. I think that that's absolutely possible. I looked at it last night at like 1 a.m. Central Time, and it was up to 68+ cents. In fact, I lost an hour of sleep because I kept refreshing my screen and looking at the price going up and up and up. It's backed off a little bit from those highs that were set last night around 1 a.m. Central Time, but I think that we definitely are going to continue to roll up and more and more and more as we go. So I'm going to end on there. You guys know, very, very bullish. I'm long on. I'm actually going to add to my position. I am going to add some more to my position, and then I'm going to kind of stand pat, see how we look after Saturday, and may continue to add more there as we go. All right, I'm going to end on that note. So as I always say, go make some money, and let's make more tomorrow than we did today. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like, and please consider subscribing and become part of the community. As you can see, I keep you updated on all the latest Dogecoin as well as other cryptocurrencies. So hit that bell notification so you get notified when I release new videos. I release at least 3 to 4, 5 videos a day, at least 1 or 2 videos on Doge. I'm here for you. See ya. Bye.